Hello there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are looking at downloading and setting up CodeBlocks. CodeBlocks is my top IDE recommendation for C++ beginners. You can check out my video on my top 4 IDE recommendations. There will be a link in the description. Please subscribe if you're new here and hit the notification bell so you don't miss other videos, and like this video if you find helpful. To begin, we will go to the official website for CodeBlocks to download the latest release of CodeBlocks. On the home page, we will navigate to the Downloads page and then to the Binary Releases, where we can select the right release for our operating system. In this video, we will install CodeBlocks min-GW, which comes pre-packaged with a compiler. With CodeBlocks downloaded, we will run the setup, which will take a bit to install. Since this is a new installation, we have to confirm the compiler that came pre-packaged with our CodeBlocks setup. Now that we have confirmed our compiler, we will click on OK and move on to creating a new project and running our first build. We will set my first app as our project title and click on Next to view our console project. As you can see, the compiler is already selected, and we will select Finish to complete our project setup. As you can see, when we expand the sources folder in our project, we see our main.cpp file, which contains code for a simple Hello World console app. You can check out my video on our first C++ app and some other concepts that are necessary for beginners. Thank you for watching this video. And I would love if you subscribed, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and like this video. See you in the next one.